Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Friday, the 27th of July. The euro recorded gains against most of its major counterparts as comments by ECB President Draghi boosted the single currency, as he was particularly firm in saying that the single currency is irreversible and that the ECB will do whatever it takes to preserve the euro. This comes one day after member Nowotny shared his insight that there are arguments in favour of giving the ESM a banking licence. Versus the US dollar, the single currency rose to 122.77 from 121.37. The US dollar produced losses as core durable goods orders disappointed, while unemployment claims were slightly improved. The highlight today is the second quarter advanced GDP release due at 12:30 GMT. Versus the Canadian dollar, the US dollar dropped to 101 from 101.58. The Australian dollar advanced to 103.92 from 103.01 versus the US dollar. The British pound soared up a staggering 200 pips from 154.82 to 156.82 against the greenback as the pair recovers after the lower than expected second quarter GDP figures. Looking at commodities, oil prices rose to $88.82 from $88.41 a barrel. Gold jumped to $1,613.09 from $1,602.75, and against the euro, gold dropped to €1,315.55 from €1,319.59. Silver moved up to $27.42 from $27.30 an ounce. Let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 122.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 122.15. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 78.45 with a preference to enter into short positions at 78.35. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 103 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103. The sterling dollar pivot point at 156.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 156.40. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 101.35 with a preference to enter into short positions at 101.35. Looking at commodities, the oil pivot point is at 89 with a preference to enter into long positions at 89. The gold pivot point is at 1608 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1608. And the silver pivot point is at 27.20 with a preference to enter into long positions at 27.20. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. And on the calendar, the market movers are the US second quarter gross domestic product forecast to rise by 1.5% and the US Michigan sentiment preliminary in July forecast to come out at 72. Now on to equities. In Europe, the FTSE was up 1.36%, the DAX was up 2.75% and the CAC was up 4.07%. In the US, the SP 500 was up 1.65% and the Dow was up 1.67%. In Asia at the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 1.02% and the Hang Seng was up 1.78%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good weekend.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.